Do you know that affiliate marketing has existed in Igbo land for centuries? Yes, it is called Osahia. If you don't know, no, it's there. The Igbos are the blueprint and trendsetters. We innovate and popularize trends, and others borrow. Now, here is a list of Igbo cultural, social, and economic practices that have been adopted by other ethnic groups in Nigeria, Africa, and beyond. Let's write. Number one, Omugwo, the special care and support given to a woman after childbirth. Today, many cultures now practice and appreciate this system because of its importance to both mother and baby. Number two, Igba Boi, the famous Igbo apprenticeship system where young people learn business under a master and are later settled to start their own businesses. This system has created thousands of millionaires and business owners. 3. Otu Ogbo, the age grade system where people born with similar age brackets work together for community development, security, and social progress. 4. Igba Nkwu, the traditional wine carrying marriage ceremony that symbolizes family union, respect, and culture. Number 5. Osahia, what many people now call affiliate marketing or referral business. It has existed among Igbo traders for decades in markets across Igbo land, Nigeria, and Africa. Yeah. 6. Isusu or Esusu. Many of you know about Isusu. So yeah, the local saving contribution system where people contribute money together and take turns collecting it. Many modern thrift systems grew from this. Yes. 7. Town union developments. Igbo communities coming together to build roads, schools, hospitals, electricity projects, and water systems in their hometowns without waiting for government. Yes, Imo State Airport was built by the collective effort of Ndimo and Ndiabe during the time of Sam Mbakwe. You guys know a lot of community road projects have been sponsored by individuals. Yeah. Umuchukwu is another example. What Dr. Godwin Maduka is doing there is massive. Wow, man. 8. Ụmụnna system, the extended family structure that provides support, conflict resolution, protection, and unity amongst relatives. 9. Communal labor, Igba Oru Oha, villagers coming together to repair roads, clear bushes, build markets, or work on community projects. 10. Home investment culture, the strong belief that no matter where an Igbo person lives, they must invest and build in their hometown. Exactly. 11. Trade mentorship, successful traders mentoring younger people and helping them grow in business. 12. Apprenticeship settlement practice. Now, after years of service, apprentices are settled with capital to start their own businesses and become independent. 13. New Yam Festival, Iri Ji. Yeah, it is the cultural celebration of harvest, gratitude, hard work, and prosperity. Now, Igbo. 14. Women August meeting. Ndine mama. It's a gathering where women discuss community matters, support one another, and contribute to development projects. 15. Collective child upbringing. In Igbo cosmology, yes, the belief that every adult in the community has a right and responsibility to guide children morally. 16. Early entrepreneurship training. Many Igbo children are introduced to trade and business from a young age. Take me for example, Piaragi business here. 17. Open market trade networks, the highly organized trading and distribution system created by Igbo businessmen across Africa. Yeah. 18. Village assembly governance. Now, it is a community decision traditionally made through elders, meetings, and collective dialogue. 19. Title taking system, like the Ozo, Unze, Ibe, etc. Now, it is honoring integrity, achievement, leadership, and service to the community. Now, the truth is that many ideas the world celebrates today, as mentorship, cooperative economics, crowdfunding, networking, community development, affiliate marketing, and entrepreneurship, have existed in Igbo society for generations. Now, I'll be talking about these one by one in the following days. So anticipate. Yeah. Don't forget, if your children do not know how to speak Igbo or solve mathematics properly, bring them into my academy. If you're seeking for proof of funds assistance, come, I'm going to help you. If you want to learn how to create content and edit videos, I am also here for you. We have lands available for sale across Igbo regions. Send me a DM. And if you also want to travel for your work visa and student visa, I am also available. See you in my DM. Bye.